How to fix cloudy AI login problem. So guys, follow me my step and solve your cloudy AI login problem. First step, open the phone setting and scroll. Tap now apps option and tap manage apps option and tap search apps option and search cloudy AI and tap clear data option. Clear cache option tap and OK option tap. Clear data option tap and OK option tap. Go to back and open the Play Store. Search option tap. Search now Cloudy AI. Cloudy AI app tap and update now. Open the Cloudy app and login now. So guys, your problem solved.